The late adopter. Hi guys, check this out. Our target is not being hit. Our target is unfortunately not being hit up here. Let me just remove this dot up here. The target was at 162, 169, 172, 186. All of these red lines up here, those were our targets. Unfortunately not being hit, you can see here. We came close, but you know, close is not enough. So right now we are looking at pullback. I don't know, it's still got 1 day left. It's still got Sunday, maybe even Monday, maybe next week. We're gonna see that. But I'm expecting a pullback. I'm expecting a pullback on this. I'm gonna, you know, but the biggest reason why I'm expecting a pullback is because of Bitcoin, not actually because of Matic. Now Matic do have some kind of, you know, divergence are going up here. You can see the divergence, 4-hourly divergence. You know, the price is going up, the RSI is going down, some kind of pullback is happening. And this is a hidden bullish divergence, hidden bullish, so you know, it might still try again, you know, today to hit these kind of targets up here, and then you know, get the double divergence, 1 2 1 2 double divergence, and then retrace back. That might happen. Nobody knows how this is gonna play out, but right now it looks like there is right now the divergence up here, hidden bullish divergence, so it might just push up for one last time before it actually gets rejected. Because if Bitcoin goes down, everything is gonna go down. It doesn't matter if the name is Matic or XRP or Dogecoin, everything goes down with Bitcoin. That's just how the crypto works. The faster we learn that, the better. That's we broke this trend line up here 2 days ago, and we are still keeping above the trend line, which is technically okay. That's why I'm saying we can have like one last pump to the upside before we actually retrace, because I think we need some kind of tracing. We are not that extended from the moving averages. On the daily we are only at 76 RSI, the weekly is at 62. There's no divergence on the weekly time frame, so technically speaking, this should be able. The bullish cross is not yet in, unfortunately. Is it on the daily? On daily we have had all the time. And here technically it is rising. So technically looking, Matic is looking better than everything else. Matic is looking better than XRP, than Cardano right now. But if everything goes down, Matic will go down as well. That's my conclusion. I'm looking at Bitcoin and you know, other coins, other big altcoins to actually figure out whatever the market is gonna do. Now, if the market goes down, the probability, you know, that we are gonna go down, that's just the way the sentiment goes. That's just the way the sentiment goes. There might be some kind of trend line over here, going over here, that we are breaking right now. Maybe we should use something like this down here and say we are not breaking it yet. Maybe down here these weeks. But it looks like we are breaking taller. I think this is it. I think we are already breaking to the downside. There was some kind of trend up here, going up here, that's being broken right now, retested. So I think the probability right now is to the downside. Now, this isn't we're going to the downside, we're going to zero or anything like that. It's not that kind of prophecy, it's not that kind of tech analysis. The only thing that we right now did is we tried to reach some kind of top up here. We did not have enough power to reach these levels up here. That's why I'm saying maybe there might be some kind of pump again to reach these levels. But if we are going down, then I don't think we're going to reach these levels. If we are going down right now, I don't think we're going to reach these levels. And I think if we're going down or sideways, if you're going down sideways, we are going to hit either 10 or 20 moving average. The 20 moving average seems more probable than 10 moving average. 10 moving average. I think that 20 moving average here seems more probable, so that we are around something 126. Let's see how this looks on the weekly time frame. Let's put some lines down here so we can see where the supports are for Matic right now, and that's all the way down here at 0.7, and this one up here at 114. Those are the big lines. You can also see that 0.7 next week will almost correspond to the 20 moving average on the weekly, and the 10 moving average right now is corresponding to this 1.14 line. But if you look at it on the daily, it's a ballpark area of these 20 and 50 moving average down here. So I'm thinking if we start going down here, this 114, 107, those might be very nice support lines for us to catch down to the support and then bounce up. That would be the best case scenario, the way I see, not only for Matic, but I think for everything. If you can bounce, because you know, nothing, you know, just going up is not very healthy because you have way too big pullbacks. But going up little, small pullbacks are fine. Small pullback, this is going to be a little bit bigger pull, might be a little bit big pull, but even that is fine. What's not fine is actually breaking breaking these levels on the downside. If you start breaking these levels on the downside, that's not going to be that fine. That might actually be quite terrible, because you are breaking these lows down here, right? Lows down here below all of these moving averages. Then you only have 100, 200 moving average down here to actually give you support. And if that fails, you know, you're not gonna be looking that nice. You're gonna not want to be looking that nice. But right now, I think we are in for some kind of retracement, not only just on Matic, but I think on everything. You can see here we went down. Or right now closed below. This is 4 hourly closed 3 minutes into the well. During this video, this green candle closed below 20 moving average, so we fell down. We cannot get back above it. That's acting as resistance. Now if you get rejected here, down here, you cannot get back above it. That's definitely move towards more downside. So I'm looking at least something first round, something towards the 50 moving average, 128 or something like that. 128. Yeah, give or take 128, give or take down here. If you follow, if you go through 128, I think these targets down here are a lot more realistic. If you fall through 128, I think these two targets down here are a lot more realistic at 107 or 14. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. If you know, we're gonna get support here and bounce somewhere here, create low and higher low. Because if you create low and lower low down here, then these targets becomes a lot more interesting to look at. So right now, unfortunately, we are looking to the downside, not to the upside. But, you know, but that's how the crypto works. Up, down, up, down. You know, you got good times, you got bad times. You got to take everything, you know. And that's crypto for you. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the Patreons on the Patreon supporting the channel. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, support me that way. Hit the like button on the way out, you know, with YouTube algorithm and stuff like that. Come back tomorrow, see more videos. Bye-bye.